MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers reliable AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA, helping keep your cooling system running efficiently and smoothly throughout the warmer months. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, improves energy efficiency, and extends the lifespan of your air conditioning unit. Our skilled technicians perform thorough inspections, clean key components, check refrigerant levels, and ensure your system operates at peak performance. Routine service can also improve indoor comfort and reduce energy costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA, and keep your home cool, comfortable, and energy efficient all season long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the AC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides professional AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA to help homeowners keep their cooling systems running efficiently throughout the summer. How often should I schedule AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA at least once a year, ideally before the summer cooling season begins. Regular maintenance ensures your air conditioning system is prepared to handle higher temperatures and increased usage. What is your AC maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Our local AC maintenance has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashfats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.